Good morning, students. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a part of ratio which is the new topic for today's new topic. We are going to cover the ratio. What is ratio? We will talk about the same. If A and B are two quantities, okay, A and B are two quantities, then A by B is known as the ratio of the two quantities. So A by B is ratio of two quantities. It is known as A by B is known as a ratio of, so it is also denoted by A ratio B, also denoted by. So this is also denoted by A ratio B. A by B is ratio of two quantities. A ratio B is also denoted by A ratio B. So if I'll ask you ratio of rupees, this is the rupees symbol, 15 to rupees 20. So what will you say? You will say 15 ratio 20 or 15 upon 20, 15 upon 20, 15 by 20. You can read it as 15 by 20. Okay, so whatever the ratio will be this. So if I'll say ratio of 20 minute to 20 minute and 1 hour, 20 minutes and 1 hour. So what is the ratio of 20 minutes? See, for ratio there is a rule, the unit should be same. This is the minute, this is hour. Minute, either it has to be in minute or it has to be in hour. Both the units should be same. Okay, so it has to be like Sachin Tendulkar, something Tendulkar. It has to be the second thing should be same. Okay, Donald Trump. So the second unit should be same. So minute has to be converted into the hour, minute. Okay, so once you will convert the minute into hour, so then only you can get the ratio of this. Okay, so either hour, you convert hour into the minute. So 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, so the now ratio becomes 20 ratio 60. What will it become? 20 ratio 60. You can solve it. 20 upon 60, 21 is 20, 23 is 60, 1 ratio 3. So this is the 1 ratio 3. This is about the minutes. Okay, this is 1 ratio 3. If it is given that the ratio of boys and girls in a class is 3 ratio 4, if it is given the ratio of boys, I'll just clean it out. If it is given the ratio of boys and girls in a class is 3 ratio 4. Boys ratio girls is 3 ratio 4, or it is read as 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4 or 3 ratio 4. Both you can read it. As okay, 3 ratio 4. Boys ratio girls in a class is 3 is to 4. So what does it mean? It means that you can say number of boys upon number of girls equal to 3 by 4. Boys are 3, girls are 4. Boys are 3, girls are 4. It doesn't mean there are 3 boys and 4 girls in the, it does not mean this is the ratio. Does not mean number of boys equal to 3. does not mean number of girls equal to 4. It doesn't mean. Okay, so in fact with just this data we cannot ascertain the number of boys and girls in the class, all the following cases. Okay, we will check the following cases. Okay, so boys, girls, will make one table. I'll tell you boys, there are girls ratio. Okay, 3 boys, 4 girls. What will be the ratio? 3:4 or 3/4. Okay, put some other example. 9 boys, 12 girls. What will happen? 9:12. What will happen? 9/12. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 3:4. So again it is 3/4, it is 3/4. Same. So you cannot tell there are 9 boys and 12 girls in the class. It doesn't mean. Again I'll put one example. 45:60. Okay, you can write in a way 45:60. So this is a 45, this is 60. 15, you can cut by 15. 15 3 is a 45, 15 4 is a 60. Again 3/4. This is also 3/4. All are 3/4. Boys girls ratio all are 3/4. Whatever example you will put just one example for you. 330. Just do it at home. 330 and 440. Okay, you will find this as 3/4 as well. 330 and 440. You will find this as a. So the only information that we can gather is that if there are 3k boys, then there will be 4k girls. If any further data is given such that we get an equation involving k. So suppose that if it is given that the twice the number of boys less than the number of girls is 20, so we can form the equation. It's like that. Okay, so ratio is all about idea. Ratio, it is all about idea. Okay, idea of the relative size. Okay, not the actual magnitude. This gives an idea of relative size. The idea of relative size. Okay, this gives an idea of relative size. Ratio is always give an idea of relative size. So it is always talk about the size. Okay, so if two variables, these are the variables. Suppose that A ratio B, these are the variables. If there are two variables A ratio B, the actual value of the variable can be assumed as with the constant. Actual variable we can, if we have to remove this ratio, so we have to put some constant A into K, B into K. Suppose that 3:4 hai. Okay, you have to put some constant value. So multiply 3/10 and 4 also 10. Same ratios multiply. 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40. It has to be multiplied like this. You can calculate. So this is a constant proportionality. It is like this. So the ratio is same as the ratio of, means A ratio B ka ratio is same as AK ratio BK. Okay, 3:4 is same as 30:40. Same, it will be same. It will be same. This is same. This is same. Okay, so it gives an idea about ratio. So we will do some good example of ratios, and I'll put the class ahead. So thank you very much for watching these ratios, and next part 2 we'll have some questions about the ratio. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching out the channel.